Hi, in physical science we're now studying about the different models of the atom, and one of those models was the Bohr's model of the atom. I want to show you the evidence for the Bohr's model of the atom, which is basically the line spectrum produced by different gases, or when different elements are heated up, they produce a light of a very specific color. That was the evidence for the electron jumps between one energy level and another energy level. Of course, to do that, to show it to you, you have to turn off the light. So I'm going to turn off the light now for a second, and I'm going to show you the difference between what the spectrum looks when we look at a regular light bulb, incandescent light bulb, compared to a light bulb that's filled with one kind of gas. So first it will get dark, and then it will get bright. Okay, so here I have a regular incandescent light bulb, pretty strong. I'm going to put the diffraction grating now in front of the camera to show you the continuous spectrum of this of light produced by incandescent light bulb. So here to the side, you can see now the spectrum produced. Basically, the white light is divided by the diffraction grating into the individual colors, and you can see that the spectrum is continuous. We see all of the colors of the rainbow in this spectrum. I'm going to turn off the light bulb and turn on the hydrogen lamp. Okay, so here I have a light bulb filled with hydrogen at low pressure, and you can see it's kind of a pinkish purplish light. And again, I'm going to put the diffraction grating in front of the camera so that we can see the spectrum. Now if you look at the spectrum, you can clearly see definite lines of light. So the diffraction grating takes this pinkish light and it actually shows you what it's composed of. So here are the colors of light produced by hydrogen. You can see the very strong red, and then the two different kinds of blue, the light blue and then the kind of navy blue. And then there is a little bit, you can see to the very left, there is a very, very weak line there as well. So that's spectrum produced by hydrogen. And every different element has its own specific color of light that it produces. This was the evidence that Bohr gave for his model of atom. He couldn't explain why the electrons jump, but if he assumed that they would jump, he could actually predict what colors of light will be produced by different elements. And here I have a table in which it shows the line spectrum of several different elements. So you can see mercury on the top and sodium on the bottom. Of course, the sodium, as we see the sodium vapor light bulbs, they're kind of yellow, so you can see the strong yellow line for sodium. And hydrogen, the one right above the sodium, you can see the strong red one right there, and then the blue one. You can find these, of course, on the internet. Just Google line spectrum of hydrogen, and you can find those pictures there.